Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Brian James and this channel is all about chevrons, my chevrons. Look, I have to apologise, it has been a bit of a time since I've uploaded a video, but we've been really busy. With COVID, I've lost my job, I've worked part-time, I've gained another job. My focus has been more on doing that than it has been on these. Now I'm comfortable back in a new job, I can get back stuck into my main hobby. So since the last upload, which we were talking about the black car, that has been to an engine tuner. Found that the carb that I was sold was not good. In fact, it was for a forklift and not a 4K Toyota motor. So we've gone out, bought a Weber carburetor, had that all fitted. It's all been tuned. The car's actually going really well right now. It's just a way getting the seats done, and then we've got the tourneys to be done, and that car's basically finished. A few little bits and pieces, but not a lot. The white car here, that's going really well. That's my main form of transport at the moment to car shows and runs and things until I can get the black car legal. So now I've got those two cars basically done. My focus is now on the third one. So this one isn't going to be a road car, and it's not going to be a track car. It's going to be something a little bit different. This is going to be my burnout car. Now, a lot of people don't quite understand it, but I absolutely love the sport. So this is what I want to make. This car is going to end up with another 3.8 litre V6 stuffed in it. We've got the diff's over there at the moment. I'm just putting that together so we can stuff it into the back. I've got some decent metal to go over to the side. So what's going to happen is, as you're doing the burnout, and if you can get to the point where you're popping the tyres, you don't want it tearing up all your bodywork. So I've got 2 mil thick steel encasing it, and the guard's going to be rolled up out of probably 3 or 4 mil thick steel, so that the steel belts don't affect it, and it can still keep its look. That's actually kind of important to me. I want it to look like it's going to be a little Chevron or Lotus 7 replica. Other things I've got going at the moment, we've got the striker over here. We're just trying to sort out someone to certify that car at the moment. That's not easy. There seems to be a bit of a shortage of certification people. I've also got a Lexus rear end and a 3SGE motor that's got to go into another Chevron, which I've got tucked in under the house at the moment. So as soon as I can get the burnout car off the hoist, then we'll get stuck into stuffing the Lexus running gear into one of these, which should be a whole lot of fun. I will keep you posted on that. Hopefully we'll be doing regular features on the engineering that goes into it. With the back end, obviously we don't have to worry about brakes or anything. That is a complete back end. The front end's going to have to get redesigned. Decent brakes put onto the front end. We've actually got to stuff the motor in. Now, what we want to do is stuff the motor into this Chevron, but it's an earlier Chevron. It's from the mid-80s. So we want to keep its look. We don't want to destroy it. We just want to update its running gear. That means keeping the 13-inch tyres and rims. That's going to be a little bit difficult, but we will get onto that. So we've got to have decent brakes to be able to stop the car, obviously. Coming back onto the burnout car, I am actually going to lose the clamshells, and we're going to put cycle guards on the tyres. The work that's been done so far is, because this car came with very spindly little brakes in the front end, I've now replaced the spindles with LC Tirana items, and they can take a bigger disc and a bigger brake. I did have to modify that to get it to work. Same with the steering arms, they've been modified to be able to bring the wheels in relatively square. There's still a little bit of work to be done to that. And so hopefully by the end of this week, I hope to have the diff in, the sides on. I haven't got rolled up the guards yet. I hope to also have the motor and gearbox into this, plus I need to reset this spindle, so that needs to be cut, moved over, re-welded. So yeah, look, there's quite a lot happening. If you like what you see, by all means please hit subscribe, and yeah, you'll be able to get more and more of this content. I hope to get more and more of this content. And while we're on that subject, I'm putting together a deal with the guys over at 7 Spot, where we're going to try and get a regular thing happening on the Facebook page. That will include sections from my garage, but also getting things like runs, car shows, where we've got more and more 7 replicas being featured. Look, I absolutely love these cars. If you've seen any of my past videos, you'll see that I have a real passion for them. For me, they represent so much fun, and I really honestly believe that everyone should have one. They're such a great car. So yeah, until the next time, catch you later.